just bought this house 3.5 months ago, fully renovated it, and today is the first time I've ever stepped foot on the property. All right, first impressions, it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Fully renovated, it's on the market right now. So to give you guys a little bit more insight, I didn't just do this willy-nilly. I bought this project at the end of December 2025. Today, as we're filming this, it's April 7th, so a little over 3 months out. And this is a manufactured home in Odinville, Alabama. So it's 3.2, double wide, 1,900 square feet. Let's walk through the project and look through it. So first time here, brand new floors, paint, kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, mudroom back there, master bath in here. Looks great. The outside looks great. I'm pretty satisfied with this project. Double vanity here, stand-up shower, soaking tub. The price tag, super affordable in the area. It's very rare that you can find an acre of land with a affordable home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 decks, plenty of parking, storage sheds. Yes, bath right here. Bedrooms on the either side of this project right here, this house. And so, yeah, so follow me this way. Let's go talk some numbers. So this is the first absolutely remote rehab I have ever done. Let's talk about some things. Trust is a big factor. I would not advise you to go buy a house sight unseen in a place that's 2 hours away from you if it's your first deal. We talk about a lot of relationship building your team here at REI Funding Partners, the lending company. I'm an investor myself. This is my project. The big thing here is that I had a trusted partner help me with this project. Erica, she's a good friend of mine. I've known her for 3 years. She's been a customer of REI. She's a real estate agent. Her husband do contracting as well. And so she found this property. She wholesaled it to me. I ended up buying it for $85,000. I borrowed money from REI to fund this project. I am all in on the rehab for $46,000, and we've got it listed at $199. So I am all in. You'll see some numbers pop up on the screen. 85 purchase, 46 rehab, $199 to list price. All in with hard money cost. I'm probably 130-ish, in the 130s range. We should expect this to sell in the 180s. So the biggest takeaway here is I had a trusted person who I know who could be boots on the ground, managing the rehab for me. And I wouldn't walk into this deal just sight unseen in an area and a rehab of people that I don't trust. So that's my biggest takeaway here. So it is possible. This is how you scale if you're wanting to do. It's all about relationships. It's all about building your team. If you're looking to do more than 2-3 properties a year, you're gonna have to delegate these project management skills to other people that you, again, know, trust, and have built a relationship. So can't emphasize that enough. Follow along. If you got any value out of this content, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll be bringing you some more content. Thanks so much.